This is the Lone Crater YouTube. We hope this video helps.
In this video, I will show you how to change the battery on your Dodge Caravan remote. First, locate the small notch on the side of your remote. This is usually where the two halves of the casing meet. Take a small flathead screwdriver and gently insert it into this notch. Carefully twist the screwdriver to pry open the remote. You should hear a slight click as the two halves begin to separate. Be gentle to avoid damaging the plastic casing. Once the remote is open, you'll see the small, circular battery nestled inside. Most Dodge Caravan remotes use a CR2032 coin cell battery, which is a common type. Take your small flathead screwdriver or a similar non-conductive tool. Carefully slide it under the edge of the battery and gently lift it out. Avoid touching the circuit board with your fingers to prevent any static discharge. Now it's time to install your new battery. Make sure you have a fresh CR2032 battery ready. Notice the positive, plus, side of the battery. It should face upwards, matching the orientation of the old battery. Carefully slide the new battery into its slot, ensuring it sits snugly. Gently press down on the battery until it clicks securely into place. Double-check that it's seated properly and not loose. With the new battery in, it's time to reassemble your remote. Carefully align the two halves of the casing, making sure all the buttons and internal components are properly seated. Gently press the halves together until they snap shut all around the edges. You should hear a series of clicks as it seals. Finally, test your remote by pressing the lock and unlock buttons to ensure it's working correctly. If you're looking for other great deals, including a fantastic O'Ala water bottle to stay hydrated, check the description below for links.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.